My name is Brenda Muriel, and my job title is a project administrator. I absolutely love to work at JENSEN.
What was your first impression when you entered here?
When I first heard about JENSEN, my impression was like, wow, they have companies around the world, so I want to be part of that. And here I am, a year after that.
Can you tell us about your day-to-day responsibilities?
And most of the time I order machines, spare parts for the project managers on site. I make sure that they have what they need to complete the jobs, and also ordering machines for our sister company Tolon. So I'm responsible to order those machines to keep their inventory until the final invoice is done.
When did you know that this was a place where you want to stay?
I decided to stay at JENSEN because the onboarding process, it was easy. They were very friendly. They are very professional towards my person, and the job is rewarding, knowing that you can help all the people, like all the project managers on the side. And on top of that, like I say, the department that I work with, project, everybody there is super kind and nice to each other. We have a very friendly team, and we take care of each other. And that's why I decided, I say, you know what, I'm gonna stay here. They treat me well.
What advice would you give to someone interested in working at JENSEN?
I would definitely recommend any friends or families to come and work for JENSEN, because this is a great place to be.